Creative expression is an opportunity to speak your truth, to be you in your most raw form. Project KnuckleHead's mission is to free the youth, for youth to have freedom to creatively express themselves, to have a space where they can feel safe, because all of these other systems around us, like police, the prisons, are basically like telling youth like you can't have a voice, you can't do this, you can't do that. And Project KnuckleHead's mission is to just cut off all those barriers, those borders, and to really give youth a space to be free and be themselves in the best possible way.
When you don't have opportunities for expression, it's like suppressing your speech or suppressing your soul. And if you aren't given the opportunity to express yourself, you might not actually figure out who you really are. And it allows you to connect with people as well. You know, learning about different cultures and communities through art, you know, builds, we want more than tolerance, right? But it builds appreciation of different communities. I still remember when I received, actually it was a text message from the LA Super Bowl host committee. It was just joy, because those are the kind of resources we need. And people feel, you know, the uprising and different things that started last year are over. So already our donations dropped by over 70%, you know, just the first quarter of the year. So it was a much needed second win that allowed us to literally continue serving our Freedom Fellows, because that's where half of the funds went.
My experiences that I've had being in the foster youth system, I understand how often my community is underserved. I understand the stereotypes and the statistics that are placed on me and the barriers that I want to break through. But when doing that with Project KnuckleHead, there is no barriers. Like, I don't feel those statistics in a way, because I'm being who I am. I'm being who I've always wanted to be, and I found that out because I've been able to express myself.
I just have learned so much about culture and having community and not being afraid to like unify with other people. It had allowed me and other people within the organization to connect with others that we would have never ever connected with if we weren't here.
I believe in Project KnuckleHead because I believe in the youth and the potential of the youth. We will profit from or pay for whatever our children become. And I actually would much rather spend time with youth and work with youth than adults sometimes, in most days.